Why are they doing that? Oh.
Okay. Ooh,
What?
little dippity dip.
Dippity dip, dip, dip.
Kind of good. Okay, so we're getting some wires together, heating them up.
And using the sparks.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, so we're getting these wires. They look a little messy. What are we gonna do? We're gonna coil it around.
Yep.
Make them hug.
Yeah, and melt it after.
Without soldering. Okay. I feel like maybe if you soldered it, it'd be better, but okay.
Okay,
So we want to connect these two wires. We need two ends of forks. That's the only way we can do it.
this is very useful.
Yeah.
You always, when you need to connect two wires, you always doesn't know how to put them together.
Okay,
and
so that's
solder
good.
them.
Yeah.
So
it's like when I try to touch my fingers together, it's like.
Yep. And you need to.
I need two forks.
Yes. You have two fingers and you need to put something
Yeah,
there.
exactly.
So you can use.
Now I know.
Yeah.
The more you know. Ooh, what is happening?
Ooh.
Oh, okay. So it's
to
like an
protect
epoxy
them.
resin or something. Cement.
Wow. Okay, good.
That's good. That's very
Yes.
nice. Get your wires through those bricks.
Yep. Okay, use some connectors to connect your wires. I mean, this is the best way how to connect your wires.
Yeah?
Not the somehow to put them together, to bend them or something. Use this special tool. It's the best way how you can put together some wires.
You guys heard it here, folks. It is Archie5 approved.
Yes.
Okay, now it's waterproof and it looks ugly.
Wow. Wow.
Whoa.
That's clever.
That is pretty
dangerous,
clever.
but clever.
Yeah.
At the same time. Wow.
How do they know it would lead to that part? I don't know.
I mean, because it's a gravity. I mean, you go.
Yeah, I know gravity.
Gravity.
I
sorry.
understand the
Yeah.
concept.
And they put another fork to get the.
Ah, okay, got it. Insulating tape. Okay, keep the heat inside.
It's what I said. It's not the best way.
Okay.
Okay, this is the best way.
This is it. Okay, looks pretty good.
Okay.
Ooh.
And
Ooh.
this comes
What is
here.
this thing? I like that.
Satisfying, right?
Yeah, we're gonna break this down,
Okay.
make a coil.
And
Flux.
heat it up.
Okay. Now there was no point in doing any of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Ooh,
Oh,
little
that's
twisty
good.
twist. As a person that isn't
Yeah.
well versed in wire, stuff,
Yep.
this is very confusing to me.
I see. I know a lot, not everything,
Okay,
but
show off. Okay, so
Okay,
we're making a little square
Yeah.
cube thing here. Okay. I feel like it won't work.
maybe. But
So is this just wrapping glue around it?
yeah, and put it in a box. I mean, just to isolate it well, if you put it somewhere.
So that
on
little
street.
press thing is how they like keep the wire from moving. Nice. We got a key. We got a wire. We got a key wire.
And okay.
Okay, you can use it to spin your wires.
Yeah, what a waste of wire. You took such a thing
That
to
was a
bend
little bit
them
of a
and
waste,
cut off.
yeah. Maybe they
Wow.
can use it for something else. I don't know.
Maybe.
It's not that much though. Easy.
Screw it in! Come on!
Harder, come on. Put
Come
some
on.
muscle into it.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Oh boy. And he brought just a gadget.
Whoa. That's quite satisfying.
Buy me dinner first, right?
Yeah, jeez. Come on.
Well,
Okay, so we're heating it up. This is how to take nuts off. Okay.
yep.
Protect your nuts from 5-minute crafts because they're gonna show you how to take them off.
Yeah.
All right.
Really nice gadget with SLS. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, but it's hard to to break
Hard
it.
to crank it. Yeah.
And you need to screw it.
That makes sense. You need another mechanism just to hold it to brace it.
Exactly.
It's not worth it. Ooh, hammer holder. But we found out that you can actually just use the back of a hammer depending on the size of the nail. So
Yeah.
come
But
on.
there is this one tricky thing. Watch the video to know it.
Okay.
Right?
There is a tricky thing. Oh.
Okay. Use your brush too. Okay.
This is I've seen this a lot. These are so cool. I want one of those.
Okay. Yeah.
You could do that, or I feel like you could just probably use your fingers. I don't know.
Yeah. Sometimes it's complicated, but the thing is, you can use the same hook, but which I will be attached on your drill.
True. Yeah.
So, but this is also practical. Oh.
Ah.
Too big hole.
The hole's too big. What are we gonna do?
Fill it in.
Fill it in? Light it on fire? No? Okay.
Not today.
That's not bad, actually.
Yeah. You just fill it in and yeah.
That'll do the job. Okay, your key's stuck down the drain. What are you gonna do? We have a flashlight, okay?
Yeah.
You can look at it being stuck down the drain, or you can use a magnet. Wow.
Magnet.
That's pretty handy, but only at certain distances, right? Because drains are usually deeper than that.
Yeah. And if some flaw in there, you
True.
can,
It's just gone
lost.
forever.
But it's one of my fear,
Yeah,
to
mine
lose-
too, yeah. Whenever I'm like walking over a drain, I clutch my phone as hard as possible.
Exactly, and I hold the phone like so.
Yeah,
No, you're not gonna drop.
If you ever see someone yelling at their phone and holding it really tightly, it's because of that.
Yeah.
Oh no, she can't lift it. What are we gonna do
Whoa.
here? Wow, she pulled out a level thing? No.
I have a gadget. with me.
Ah, yeah, that's handy.
That's handy for sure. Oh,
Or the old-fashioned way.
now I got the idea. They compare a life hack with the gadget thing, right?
Exactly, yeah.
Wow,
I think the
okay.
life hack is easier, probably, or like cheaper,
Yeah. Okay, nice hack.
Do
No, that's previous, not this one.
what you're meant to do.
Just to hammer everything.
Ooh, I didn't like how it moved so much. That was a little dangerous.
That
Could have spun around and got his finger.
I'm always afraid such cutters. I mean,
Ooh.
my fingers cut it off.
Yeah?
I mean, I cut it
Okay.
many times.
I'm like, you still look like you have your fingers.
Yes, I do, but
That's
you know,
good, that's lucky.
I was on that moment to lose it.
Let's keep it that way.
Yeah.
Everybody, let's
Be
keep your fingers
careful.
if you can.
Be careful with the cutter.
Copper wire. Uh-huh.
On the soldering iron.
Ah, so now it's a soldering tool. That's pretty neat.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, nice.
Wow. Okay, good repair hack. Oh,
Some tape.
some
All right.
tape.
Okay. Wasn't that impressive? This is classic. I've seen this a couple times. Very nice.
Very nice, and we tested, and it works.
Yeah.
But the thing is, it's not very tight. I mean, the connection.
Yeah, so
But it
it's
could be tight.
it just looks nice. If you want to satisfy that wire itch, that's it. Just get a fork.
No, it's kind of.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah,
With a heat gun, right?
yeah. It's just to speed up the process.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, so now we're shaving down this.
Mm-hmm. To connect
Okay.
this kind of wire.
Interesting.
Because it's really complicated to connect such wires between each other,
Yeah.
right? I mean, you couldn't make a knot there; it will
True,
be
yeah.
destroyed. So nice.
Okay, we're soldering this.
Just a cup with the soldering.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boop. Nice.
Nice.
That's pretty nice. I want to put my hand in it and make my hand all shiny.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
It's like Wolverine, how his like bones were covered in adamantium or whatever. That would be sweet.
I think it does work like so.
It works like that. Let me dream, Archie. Let me dream.
Okay, you can dream and leave it on the dream part.
Okay, I'll
you
leave
know?
it in the dream.
So,
Let's see.
you destroyed
Money.
coin?
Okay, that's
That's
maybe not okay.
In some countries, it's illegal.
Yeah, so watch out when,
Yeah.
when you're doing that. And don't do it in front of police officers. Don't be like, hey, look what I'm going to do to this coin.
Yeah, you'll go in prison.
Yeah,
most
not
probably.
worth it.
Okay, yes. Good work. What is this word? Oh, in our connection.
All right, so that's pretty good.
That's okay. That's good work.
Okay, we got 2 wires we want to make hug.
Mm-hmm.
What are we going to do? We're going to heat shrink this piece of plastic, which is what all of these have been, basically. They're all different versions of this thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're making 2 wires hug again. Let's wrap them up.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it. Let's get them a strong connection. We want them to be soul partners, okay?
Again, want to mention, it does work, but use a connector.
Yeah, please.
I'm so upset about it.
Okay, so we got some very unorganized, disheveled wires here. Wow.
What?
Okay.
Okay.
Interesting. All right, keep the right wires connected. That looks good.
I hope they switch off the electricity
Yeah,
before
me
doing
too.
this. But the thing in the way how they did this,
Yeah.
it's look like they don't.
I mean, it would be shocking
But-
if they didn't.
Yeah, maybe it's
shocking.
Yeah, shocking. We are shocking. We tested with the butch this hut.
Okay, cool. That looks good.
Yeah, nice work.
Just to thread your wires, gotta do it. Sometimes you gotta do it. Be careful with your finger, buddy.
Yep.
Ooh, what is
Okay.
this?
Okay, to make perfect, end of the wire to connect it in such a thing.
And now it's
You be-
waterproof. Interesting.